Should I certify in trials? Hello, everyone. My name is Teacher Kristin with Life with Kristin. I am going to discuss with you today that common question of should I certify in trials? Will it really help with my bookings? That's everybody's question. And I am here to tell you that I believe, yes, 100%, I believe you should certify in all of the trial courses. Now, some people like trials, some people don't like trials. I view trial courses as an opportunity to meet new students. You know, you're given that opportunity to see new students, and you know, they may become your regular class kids. They may not, or they may only book you here or there, but a booking is a booking. Also, by doing trials, you are gaining that extra experience of how to go through a trial course to better yourself with the material, in hopes that that relays into the parents of those trial children to want to convert to VIP Kid and have their children join in the actual master courses, or major courses rather. Not to mention that, you know, us VIP Kid teachers, we get a little bit of a kickback if we have a trial student that converts over to the mainstream program and into the major courses. Incentive, you say? Sounds like money to me. Now, you may ask, well, how much money, Kristin, do we get as an incentive for converting a trial student? Let me tell you. You get $5 for every trial student that you convert. Since I've been with VIP Kid, and that's only been 3 short months, today marks my 90th day, I did not convert any trials in my very first month of teaching. In February, I converted 2. In the month of March, I am happy to say that I actually converted 5 students, and I was just over the moon with myself. I was like, wow, 5 children converted, you know, and they enjoyed the classes. And those 5 that converted for the month of March for me, I have now, I have them on my schedule all the time. In fact, a couple of them I see 3 times a week. So again, this goes back to, you know, should I, certify in trials? Should I not certify in trials? Yes, do it. You don't have anything to lose. Now, sure, there are some cons, but in my experience, my pros more than outweigh the cons. Sometimes a con could be that, you know, the trial student and parent choose not to sign up with VIP Kid for a more regular based class setting. You know, another thing is every now and again when you have trial courses, it isn't uncommon to have what we call a student no-show, or if you see abbreviations for it, it's SNS, student no-show. Now, with trial classes, they are 25 minutes in length. However, if you are scheduled for a trial class and you're in the classroom and you're waiting, and you're trying to find something to do, and you're still waiting. And 15 minutes have gone by. Chances are they're not coming to class. However, make sure that when you are in a trial class, if your student has not shown up, that you wait a full 15 minutes into class before you finish the class. If you finish the class before the 15-minute mark of a trial course, you will not be paid. But if you wait till that 15-minute mark or just after, I usually wait till about the 15-minute and 15-second mark just to make sure that I am in the clear. Once you wait that 15 minutes and then you close out the class, you will then receive half pay for that course. So, student no-shows can be a little bit of a con, you know, especially if it's a day that you are like, oh, I could have slept in, or man, I really wish I had another student blocked there. You know, it's out of your control. However, you get paid even if they don't show up. It may only be half, but you still get paid. But when you do have those trial classes, they are awesome. And the kiddos, yes, they're a lot younger, most of them, but that, for me, that's where my heart lies. I love the littles. Let's talk a little bit about the trial courses. There are 3 different trial courses that you can certify in. One is level 1 and 2 plus. Another is a major course trial 3.0 plus. And the third is the major course trial 3.0. Now, the level 1 and 2 plus trial course is new. It's only been out maybe a couple of weeks, I believe. And it's more interactive with the kids. They've changed up the characters a little bit, and the pictures are a little bit brighter, but overall, it's essentially the same process, same characters. I enjoy doing the trials. My biggest takeaway from the trials is that I get to meet new kids, I get to meet their parents. It's their first experience with VIP Kid. And lastly, that bonus, that little tiny bonus. I hope you guys will be able to make a decision on whether or not you feel that trials will or will not be a good fit for you. I hope that I have shed some light on that infamous question of, should I certify for trials? Should I not? You all know my opinion. I say go for it. There's nothing to lose. This is Teacher Kristin with Life with Kristin, and I will see you guys soon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. One of those corners. And check out my description box below. I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.